Hello everyone, welcome back to the problem solving in Python series. Um, Today I'm going to show everybody how to print patterns in Python using methods and strings. So a string is anything inside quotation marks in Python. And I'll show everyone how to print a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. And I'll just show the basic line, like a line of stars. You can print almost anything if you use string methods correctly. If I use the spacing correctly, I can print almost any shape. Here's a diamond. I just got this random diamond here, and off to the left is a right triangle. So I'm going to be doing a right triangle, square, and a rectangle. So if we go over here, so first off, we need a string. So I'm going to show how to make like a basic line of stars. So what you want to do is that, and then we're gonna do like multiply by, like, let's say we want 10. We gotta have to do this outside of the quotation marks. Otherwise, if we do, let's say if I do this, if I did this like that, like if I multiplied it inside, then it would treat it as a string and it would print that. It wouldn't print the actual thing we need. So if I run this, we're going to get a line of stars. If I printed inside the quotation marks, we would not get a line of stars. So happy about that. Yeah. And now I'll show how to print a square. So squares are easy. You need to make sure you have a space here. If we don't have a space, then it's going to get messed up. So let's do, I'll do a 5 by 5 square. So one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we want a new line. So to get a new line, you need to use backslash and n. That'll tell the console that we need to switch lines. So like we need a new line down here. So backslash n, and then it'll keep doing the new lines. And then since it's 5 by 5 square, we can do times 5. So if we print this, of course we'll get the 5 by 5 square. Now you might be wondering why it looks like a rectangle, but if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just the way that Python prints it, but it's actually a square if you look at it, like counting. So that's a square right there. And last, I'm going to show everybody how to print a triangle. So to print a triangle, basically what you'll want to do is, again, you need the space, otherwise things are going to get messed up. You want to do 1, and this is a right triangle, remember. Alright, 1, backslash n, and then we need 2, or let me just space that out. I'm not even sure. I don't think you spaced them out, no. Backslash n, 3. You can keep doing this for how much you want, depending on the size of the triangle. I guess I'll go up to 5. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 5. Yeah, that's 5. And yeah, make sure you have the space, otherwise things are going to get messed up. So let's print this. And there we go, a right triangle right here. Now let me show what happens. Show everybody what happens if there's no space. Things are going to get messed up. It's not going to look too great. As you see, you need that space right there, otherwise the rest of the thing, since there's a space between this and the backslash n, the new line command, you need another space right here. So just make sure you have that. That's a common mistake. Same if I do right here, our square is going to look very bad. Right now, I'm not sure. I think, oh yeah, since it's a square, yeah, I don't think you don't need the space right here. So you can just do that if you want it right or left. It doesn't really matter. But with the triangle, make sure you have that space, otherwise it's not gonna look great. And yeah, so let me show how to print a rectangle real quick. I guess it's like the same thing. It's like the same thing as a square, but I guess it's not the same thing as a square, but eh. So I'm gonna do a 5x4. So one, yep, 5x4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. No, that's 6. We'll do a 6x5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think that's 5. That's 5. There we go. New line. And then again, we can do it like that. And then we can do this times 5. I don't know. Something like that. Yeah, that's gonna get messed up. You want to make sure you're careful with that. So yeah, I guess this won't. Yeah, this will get you something similar, but again, you need the spacing and everything. So yeah. Again, another way to do this, you could just like we don't need this, but it's gonna take a while. You could also do like you could keep doing this, but then again, that's just way harder. It's way simpler to just do it the regular way. Oops. Yeah, that's space problem. Not sure the issues here. Yeah. So that's how you print patterns in Python. I just showed everybody how to print a square, a triangle, and a line. So yeah, that's how you print patterns in Python. And yeah, that's how you do that. This is only one of the many string methods you can use. So I'll be doing more of those later.